Hi, Dave Nichols here, Training Manager for Lennox Learning Solutions. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about our Build an Installer program. This is an instructor-led program that takes 2 weeks to complete. Now, we all know about the tech shortage in the industry, and this is a great way to overcome that challenge for every dealership because you can bring in brand new, inexperienced installers, put them through this program, and as I said, in 2 weeks they're ready to go and start installing for you and your families. Now, it's split in half. We have half a day of classroom studies, and then the other half of the day is spent in the live lab, physically working on the equipment and doing the things that they learned in the classroom. So we don't just teach them the how of installation, but we teach them the why. What are the things that are important for you to do on every job to make sure that it's done right? This eliminates any of that rule of thumb type of mentality because the job will be done properly, the way it's expected to be installed, so that when they leave the home, the customer has a system that works for them. And our install class includes startup to make sure that the product is really running. So you don't have to send a technician back after the install is complete and have them start up the machine. So why don't you think about putting some people into the next Build an Installer class? Until the next time, this is Dave Nichols.